Hello, everyone, and welcome to Elevate Your Fashion Career. I'm Crystal Lewis, and with me here today, I have Charmel Work. For those of you that are new to Black Unicorn Merchandising, allow me to introduce my company and also expand more on the Elevate Your Fashion Career workshop series at large. So Black Unicorn Merchandising is a boutique apparel design, sourcing, and manufacturing agency. We specialize in helping people with their custom apparel design, sourcing ethical factories, and overseas low batch, low MOQ manufacturing. So the purpose of the Elevate Your Fashion Career workshop series was that I encounter a lot of people that have big dreams but don't always have a big budget. So this is my way of bringing my network and my expertise to you. So let's talk a little bit more about what we're going to learn specifically today, and then also some future workshops that we have coming up. So it's important for me to really express that the Elevate Your Fashion Career will really help guide you and get you across the finish line faster towards your dreams of owning a clothing line. However, we can't teach you fashion design that, the 17 years of experience that we have, or that I've experienced. And Charmel, how many years of experience are you in now? Okay, so many years. We can't possibly stuff all of that into your brains in one workshop. But if you come to the table with a foundation of apparel design, we can definitely help fill in some gaps in your knowledge and your network. So let's talk about the big picture goals. Essentially, I want to pass down my success strategies, our success strategies for design and development and manufacturing. I want to open up my network of industry professionals to the next generation of designers. And I want to just fill in the gaps of your knowledge so that maybe if you want to learn anything from how to do a graphic design all the way through how do I get rep from a showroom, you'll have that. Okay, so we've got all of the housekeeping out of the way. Now let's talk specifically about who's going to be teaching today's workshop. I am pleased and honored to introduce you to my friend Charmel Work, who will be teaching the graded specs and construction portion of the workshop today. Charmel is a distinguished professional with extensive experience in the apparel industry, specializing in children's, juniors, and men's sleepwear predominantly. With a career at prestigious brands and retailers, including William Carter's Company, Saks Incorporated, Gap Incorporated, etc., Charmel has excelled in both senior technical design and technical design manager, now at BioWorld Merchandising. She is renowned for her expertise in resolving fit, pattern, and construction issues, as well as her ability to support design teams and coordinate with overseas factories. Charmel's commitment to industry standards and her passion for mentorship make her a respected leader and an invaluable asset to any team. Now I'd like to give you a brief introduction to me, Crystal Lewis. I have 17 years of industry experience working with corporate leaders in Dallas, including BioWorld, Pinpoint Merchandising, Mad Engine, and Hager. I bring a wealth of expertise to the table. I hold a bachelor's degree from TWU in their fashion program, and I'm also a graduate of the Goldman Sachs 1 Million Black Women Business Coaching Program. I visited respected garment manufacturers in Mexico and China and possess an expert level knowledge in factory sourcing, tech packs, textiles, garment decoration, and Adobe Creative Suite. After ending my corporate path in 2018, I founded Black Unicorn Merchandising, and I'm here to help you set yourself up for a successful design journey.